Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes to all of you. Good morning to Mr. Idal Waldalmi, SAEMSE. I am Cindy Leoneka Putri from the Yellow CZ University Management Study Program, Faculty Economy. In this video, I will presentation about the limitation and challenge for global manager and global management. I will come and focus on the discussion. If there are questions about discussion, then ask at the end of the presentation, okay? Let's just start by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's watch the video. Global manager and management. A manager will help organization achieve global scale efficiency. Manager can understand and balance different cultural environment dynamic, asset difference, and behave accordingly in unusual setting. Compensation and environmental condition. For concept and technical education that will be taken are a challenge for manager, as a manager must only pay attention to the business environment or externally. To grab the organizational goals, another challenge a manager is the recognized change in tested or consumer needs. Then supplier are parties who profit. Input to the company. Input can be in the form of raw material, semi-finished material, employees. Financial capital information or service needed. Then the manager must be good at determining where compensation and how to deal with the compensation. The manager must determine the alternative funding, debts, bonds, selling shares, leasing, that are the concept and flexible. Therefore, manager must pay attention and consider elements and external environmental forces in every management activity. In the characteristic and virtue of the organization culture, it is said to be 7 characteristics of organizational culture, namely 1. Innovation and risk-taking. The level of employee pursues to be innovative and dare to take risks. Attention to detail. The level of demands against employees. Be able to show accuracy, analysis, and attention to detail. 3. Orientation to result. The level of demands of management to further focus on the result compared to the attention of the techniques and process used to achieve this result. Orientation to individuals. The level of management dedication in considering the result of the individuals in the organization. Orientation to the team. The level of work activity set in them, not individual activity. The level of demands again people to apply aggressively and compete and not relax stability. The level of emphasis of organization activity in considering the status quo professional to grow, assessing on organization using to these 7 characteristics will produce an overview of the organizational culture. The picture is then the basis for mutual understanding of the organization members of the organization, how things are done based on the joint understanding and ways of organizational members should behave. 4. The R4 last topic of organization culture, namely 1. Creating culture active management in such culture are support to take risks and innovative encouraged to act in uncontrolled competition and will pay attention to how the objective will be achieved just like what the goals will be achieved. His advice is to be a model. This is visible communication, ethic help, and providing ethical training. Creating innovative culture, the manager states the organizational culture was based on involvement, communication, creativity, and diversity, where they saw it is a key innovation. Creating a responsible culture, all customer employees must to be able to make to initiative, even if it is beyond in the requirements of the world to stating consumer needs, culture, and spirituality. The workplace spirituality organization are known as people who have a developing personality and continue to grow with or down in the community. Employees are looking for ways to balance stress and the current flow of life that has always changed. 5. A third contrary view of provincial belief that the best approach and practice is owned by the country of origin and our home country where the main office belong to the company are, and believe the people in their country do not have the abilities, expertise, knowledge, or experience needed to make. The view of the polycountry view that manager in the host country know the best approach and practice of working business in the country. Assume that all operations are different and difficult to understand. Centric view of a work-oriented view that focus on using the approach and the best person. From the whole world hearing that Geocentric has global insight and looking for the process and people regardless of the origin of its country. In my opinion, the virtue of the trade group is to the compression in trade, expand to market and insert income, while to global trade mechanism is an organization that promotes international monetary cooperation and provides policy advice, temporary loans, and technical assistance to build and maintain financial stability and strengthen the economy. Organizational development measures the achievements of an organization in terms of efficiency, effectiveness, and health. Efficiency can be measured by a comparison between input and output. The general formula that derives the thought of the efficiency is the minimum input and maximum output. Effectiveness is not a quantitative size efficiency, but is more qualitative. Measure effectiveness is organizational level of achievement is achieve its objective. The meaning the extent to which the set goals can be achieved effectiveness for the great organization is a maximum for maximizing the achievement of the objective. The development of the organization must be a collaboration between various parties who will express the import of the attention. The organizational development program emphasizes new methods needed to improve the improvements of all members of the organization. Organizational development contains the value of humanistic value in the sense that it increases the effectiveness of the organization. Human potential must be an important part. Organization development uses a system approach which means while taking into account the importance of interaction and interdependence. Organization development use a specific approach to achieve organization effectiveness. If, in my opinion, this is precisely the legal source of economy that is limited to the practice and unlimited demand for economic recourse play by parties, so that conflict between fellow citizens in fighting for economic resource will often occur. Based on historical experience, the legal role must be measured so that it does not return of innovation, creativity, initiative, and human creation that is this that main truth in economic development. Thank you for your time in following the presentation. This time happy for this presentation can add to your insight, and if there are words that are not pleasing to your heart, please forgive. Good afternoon and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.